Hi, my name is Suki.
Hi, my name is Sunnah.
Today we're going to be making the Aurora Reflector. So let's open it up and dump everything out. We don't need this anymore. So, got our instructions. We need some O-rings. We need the wood pieces. So we need this wood piece. It says motor here because I need something there. Ooh. Motor. These two long screws. And we need two of the really tiny bolts, but they're metal and they're really tiny.
It's changing color.
Wait, we're gonna tell them that.
But Suki is the light.
Light that goes up in the air. Some people like to chase it, but bugs can kind of be like that, like beetles. What's we're supposed to do? Now we need the little bolts, and we're gonna screw them in. Oh, I put it in the wrong way. We put it in. We need this bolt. We need this bolt. So we need this wood piece. It looks just like an alligator. I'll use something you're gonna chop with, like a pretend knife or a cheese, but without the point up top. So we're gonna put it on. Now we're gonna need two O-rings. They're clear. Then we're gonna attach them on to where we put the wood piece. There, now it should look like this. Now we're gonna take this wood piece and we're gonna attach it on. Same thing with the other side. This wood piece looks like a half cucumber. Now we're gonna screw it on to the bolt. There. Now it should look like this. On the back, it's the Bluetooth. So I need this. And one rivet. Make sure that the rivet is small, not big. Now we're gonna put the rivet. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, put the rivet on. Like this. So it has to look just like that. So when we take this, we have to make sure only the rivet has to face upwards. So like slice it on here. It looks like this for now. Now we need the big rubber band. Sunnah, can you give me the big band? Okay, so we take this large rubber band, we place it on under here, put it in here. Now it should look just like this. And it keeps the spinning wheel in place. So first thing that we're gonna do is we put it on here. We're gonna tighten it up. The next thing we're gonna do is we need, oh, Sunnah, can you give me that? Yes, thank you. So we need this wood piece. It says CrunchLabs on it, and it has two straight rectangles on it. the first thing that we need are these 4 things. So we're gonna take one big bowl and we're gonna put it in the big hole. Put the bowl in and it should look like this. This is part of the light kit. And we're gonna put it on like this. So it should look like this so far. Now the next thing we need is this. We're gonna put it through this hole, and on the side where it comes out, just fold it on the side where you put it in.
Ta-da!
This hole here, we're gonna put this in. We're gonna put it in the hole. So we put it in the slot. Now we're gonna make it come out. Now let's do the next part. We need this red piece, really big. We're gonna put the big wood piece here and letting the on and off facing forward. There. Make sure that the on and off is facing up. That's how you know that that's the right way. The instructions is over there. Next thing we need is the battery pack. The blue battery pack. Just like that. Now what we need from the battery pack is we need the battery pack and the battery pack adhesive foam. Rip one side off and then put it on the battery pack. Stick it on there. It says, so it's just like this. It's under there. See? Battery pack. Now, what we need to do, so I attached the wires on the bottom. Now, we need to test. Let's turn the switch on. It should be moving. Or here. We put the wood piece on the rivet, and then the wood piece and the rivet go on the bottom. Not the top, the bottom. So the next thing we need is we take this and we just crumble it. Just crumble it up. Make sure that it's all crumbled up. Just make it back. So can you crumble this up? Kind of hard, right? Okay, I think that's good. Great. So as it looks, all crumbled up. We're gonna need this. Make sure that it's all crumbled up, and then put it on like this. Now, we're all done. We just need to test it. So, it should be looking. It looks boring right now, right? So, okay, so now let's see it. Ooh, it's lighting up. Look at that.
Suki, it looks like that there's purple here and like different colors here.
Ooh, it's pretty.